to the school and welcome to math class. This is our grade 1 and I am Bhakti Gupta, your math teacher. Now, I hope you all are well and did your work at your home. Now, from our today's session, we all are going to revise those chapters which we did in our previous online classes. We did 4 chapters before this session. So, in our today's session, we are starting the revision of our first chapter, that is Shapes and Space. Now, in our today's session, I am going to revise you all the topics which are first, inside and outside, second, bigger, smaller, third, biggest, smallest, fourth, nearer, farther, fifth, nearest, farthest, top, bottom, 7, on, under, above, below. Now, you all have to do first thing, that is, you all have to take out your math textbook, that is Mathmagic, and in this textbook, you have to take out page number 1. In that page, you all are going to get your first chapter, that is Shapes and Space. Now, we all are starting with our first topic, that is inside and outside. Now, what is inside and what is outside? I already explained you, but for the revision, I am going to read this story which we already did in our previous online sessions. Now, I am going to read this story and you all have to put your finger where I am reading. So, I am starting with this story. The name of this story is The Arab and Camel. Arab, the one with showing in green, and the camel. Okay. Now I am reading the story. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the back of camel. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside. Now, here the story tells us about one camel and Arab. Arab is the name of that person. Now, both were traveling and Arab was traveling on the neck of camel. It was winter season. Now, at night, Arab pitched his tent. Pitched his tent means he opened his tent and went inside. Inside means इसके अंदर. तो अरब ने क्या किया, रात को अपना टेंट निकाला, मतलब ने टेंट खोला और वो उसके अंदर चला गया. नाउ, और कैमल कहाँ था? कैमल वॉज आउटसाइड. आउटसाइड मीन्स बाहर. नाउ आई एम रीडिंग नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. कैमल, मे आई पुट माई नेक इनसाइड? It is too cold outside. Again you got two words, inside and outside. कैमल ने क्या पूछा अरब से कि क्या मैं अपनी नेक मीन्स गर्दन, क्या मैं अपनी नेक टेंट के अंदर रख सकता हूँ? यहाँ बाहर बहुत ठंडी है. तो अरब ने क्या रिप्लाई किया? ओके, यू मे पुट योर नेक इनसाइड. तुम अपनी नेक अंदर रख सकते हो. नाउ टेक आउट नेक्स्ट पेज. आई एम रीडिंग. मे आई पुट माई फ्रंट लेग्स इनसाइड? इट इज टू कोल्ड आउटसाइड. वापस कैमल ने पूछा, क्या मैं अपने पैर, लेग्स मीन्स पैर, क्या मैं अपने पैर अंदर रख सकता हूँ? यहाँ बाहर बहुत ठंडी है. तो अरब ने क्या कहा? यस, आप अपने पैर अंदर रख सकते हो. वापस से कैमल ने पूछा, यहाँ बाहर बहुत ठंडी है, क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊँ? तो वो अंदर आ गया और उसने अरब को बाहर निकाल दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि टेंट तो छोटा था और कैमल और अरब दोनों एक साथ तो अंदर नहीं बैठ सकते, तो अरब बाहर निकल गया. नाउ हियर यू गॉट टू न्यू वर्ड्स, दैट इज इनसाइड and outside. Inside means अंदर, outside means बाहर. Now, our next topic is bigger and smaller. Now, again, take out your next page. Now, here you all get bigger and smaller topic, and some questions are given here. See, our first question is, take the bigger. You have two animals here. One is hippopotamus and one is cat. तो आपको इन दोनों में से चूज करना है, टिक करना है कि इसमें से बिगर वन मतलब बड़ा वाला कौन सा है. चलो, यू हैव टू डू दिस. अगर इफ यू ऑल डिड दिस अर्लियर देन वेरी गुड. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं किया है देन यू हैव टू टिक हियर. चलो, now next question is take the smaller one. So you have big leaf and you have small leaf. So you have to take out the small leaf. Now again here you have small squirrel and big cow. So which one is small? Squirrel. So tick in the squirrel. Next question is take the smaller tire. You have two boys who is playing with tire. So which tire is small one? This one or this one? Yes, this tire is small. So take out this tire and take out our next page. So here we understood our next topic, that is bigger and smaller. Bigger means bada wala, smaller means chota wala. So now here you have your next topic, that is biggest and smallest. Now, why there is a difference between bigger and smaller and biggest and smallest? Yes, जब हम लोग वन और टू चीज़ों के साथ जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं कि क्या ये छोटा है, क्या ये बड़ा है, क्या ये बड़ा है, क्या ये छोटा है, तो तब हम बिगर एंड स्मॉलर वर्ड यूज करते हैं. लेकिन when we do the comparison between two or more things, दो या दो चीज़ों से ज़्यादा जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं चीज़ों के बीच में, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? बिगेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके, सो हियर the biggest smallest topic we are going to continue from here. Now the question is take the smallest tree. Yes, you all are given here 3 trees. Why 3? Because I told you, when we do the comparison between 2 or more things, here we have 1, 2 and 3. 3 trees. So we are doing the comparison between 3 trees. That's why the topic is biggest and smallest. Now, you have to compare the smallest. सबसे छोटा वाला ट्री कौन सा है? आपको टिक करना है. Now, second question is टिक the biggest animal. आपके पास यहाँ पे 3 animals है. That is here dog है, एक छोटा वाला पप्पी है और एक बड़ा वाला elephant है. So what you have to do? You have to take the biggest animal. सबसे बड़ा वाला जो animal है, that you have to take. Same way you have 2 more question. Here they have asked take the smallest one. सबसे छोटा वाला करो और यहाँ पे you have so many bubbles. The boy is playing with so many bubbles. So what you have to do? You have to take the biggest bubble. You have to take the biggest bubble. सबसे बड़ा वाला. So again our third topic is completed. That is we revise 3 topics: inside, outside, bigger, smaller, biggest and smallest. Now our next topic is, that is in your next page you have next topics, that is top, bottom. Now what is top and top and bottom. Now what is top and what is bottom? Top means ऊपर, bottom means नीचे. Top means ऊपर, bottom means नीचे. Now you can see here you have given one picture. In this picture you have tree, so here the thing written is this bird is top on the top of tree. On the top of tree मतलब bird कहाँ पे है? ट्री के ऊपर है. कैट कहाँ पे है? ट्री के नीचे है. ये प्लेइंग गार्डन में the children are playing. ये वाला बॉय कहाँ पे है? तो ये वाला बॉय ऊपर बैठा हुआ है और ये वाला बॉय नीचे है. So this is called the top and bottom. Now you have to do some questions of top and bottom here. Tick the pot on the top. यहाँ पे आपको 1, 2 and 3 pots दिए हुए हैं. उसमें से जो pot सबसे ऊपर है you have to tick that top. Okay, and here क्या पूछा है यहाँ पे? You have 2 cats here. Okay, यहाँ पे स्टेज के ऊपर और नीचे एक एक कैट आपको यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दी गई है. तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to tick the cat who is in the bottom of steps. Okay, so now our next topic, that is top and bottom, is also completed. Now again turn out next page. You got your next topics, that is nearer and farther. Now nearer means nazdeek, farther means dur. Nearer means nazdeek, farther means dur. Now here again you have some questions related to the topic, that is nearer and farther. You have given for house, trees and birds flying. So the question is, pick the bird nearest to the home. इस घर के सबसे नजदीक वाला bird कौन सा है? You have to tick. And here आपको देखना है कि कौन सी cat farther from the tree. Which cat is farther? That is दूर. कौन सी cat tree के दूर में खड़ी है? You have to tick that. Okay. So again nearer and farther we revise nearer and farther. Now nearest and farthest. Now as I told you, bigger, smaller, biggest, smallest. Why? Because when we do the comparison between one or two things, then we use bigger and smaller. In the same way, when we do the comparison between one or two things, we use nearer, farther. But when we do the comparison between two or more things, we use nearest and farthest. So similar to biggest, smallest, we are going to revise nearest, farthest. Now here some questions are given in your textbook. Let us first read. Okay, you have one picture given here. The farthest from the sea. Here one swing is you all are see one swing in the tree. Now this girl is farthest, this boy is nearest. वो सबसे नजदीक है और ये वाली गर्ल सबसे दूर है. और ये वाली गर्ल, 3 children are given here. Okay, now there are some questions related to nearest and farthest. Let us read. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. You have 4 puppies. You have to take which puppy is सबसे दूर वाला puppy कौन सा है? You have to take here. And there are 3 trees and 1 bird. You have to take which tree is nearest to bird. इस bird से सबसे नजदीक में कौन सा वाला tree है? You have to take that. So here we completed, revise our topic nearest and farthest. Now moving towards our next topic, that is on, under, above, below. Now what is the meaning of all these 4 words? On means किसी चीज के ऊपर, अंडर किसी चीज के नीचे, above हम किसी चीज या किसी भी कोई भी जगह के ऊपर होते हैं example here, in this book, you have given one picture. In this picture, you all are seeing one classroom. In this classroom, there are so many students, table, their desk, you can see fan. लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है, फैन अबव द टेबल। यहाँ पे जो नीचे टेबल दिया हुआ है उसके ऊपर जो फैन है, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, अबव द टेबल। वो टेबल के ऊपर है, फैन टेबल के ऊपर है। ऑन द टेबल, ये जो कैट है, कैट कहाँ पर है, कैट टेबल के ऊपर बैठी हुई है, सो वी यूज ऑन। नाउ हियर द बॉय, बॉय इज बिलो द फैन। ऊपर फैन है लेकिन बॉय कहाँ पर है, वो उसके बिलो, वो उसके नीचे है। नाउ हियर अंडर द टेबल, ये एक माउस दिख रहा है आपको, यस, ये माउस कहाँ पे है, टेबल के नीचे है, सो हियर वी यूज अंडर द टेबल। ओके, सो वी अगेन completed our revised our topic on under, above and below. So now what you have to do, you all have prepared your notebooks, that is class notebook, your CW book. Now in this book you don't have to do anything but the worksheets which I have sent you earlier. If you have not completed that worksheet, please complete it after watching this video lecture, and if you have completed, then revise it again so that you get it once again.